In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit photos in Canva. If you've ever tried to brighten a dull image, clean up a messy background, or make a product photo look more polished inside Canva, you already know how frustrating it can feel when the result comes out blurry, flat, or awkwardly cropped. The good news is that Canva makes photo editing much easier than a lot of people expect. You don't need advanced editing software to make your images look clean, sharp, and professional. Canva has built-in tools that let you crop, adjust lighting and color, and export a high-quality final image all in one place. So let's jump in. Start on the Canva homepage and create a fresh workspace for your image. Head to the top right corner and click Create a Design. From here, choose a preset size that matches where your image will be used, like an Instagram post, or enter custom dimensions if you need something specific. Once your blank canvas opens, go to the left-hand sidebar and click Uploads. Then select Upload Files, choose your image from your computer, and drag it onto the canvas. This gives you a clean starting point and makes it easier to see exactly how your photo will look in the final layout. Next, click directly on the photo you just added. When it's selected, you'll see a border appear around it, which confirms that Canva is focusing on that image and not anything else on the page. Then look to the top toolbar and click Edit Photo. This opens the main editing panel on the left side, where all of Canva's photo tools are grouped together. Before adjusting colors or lighting, it's a good idea to fix the composition. In the editing panel, click Crop. You can choose a preset aspect ratio or drag the edges manually to remove unwanted parts of the image. As you reposition the frame, pay attention to the rule of thirds grid. Try to place your main subject in a balanced position so the image feels more intentional and easier to look at. When you're happy with the framing, click Done. Now move to the Adjust section. This is where you improve the overall look of the image. Use brightness and highlights to correct exposure, especially if the photo looks too dark or washed out. Increase contrast to add depth and make details stand out more clearly. Adjust vibrance to enrich the colors without making skin tones or softer areas look unnatural. Then raise sharpness carefully to bring out edges and texture. Small changes usually work best here, so make gradual edits and keep checking how the image looks as a whole. Once everything looks good, do a final review on the canvas. Make sure the image is aligned well and that any other design elements remain readable against the background. Then go to the top right corner, click Share, choose Download, set the file type to PNG for a crisp result, and click Download. That's it. You now know how to edit photos in Canva from start to finish. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.